Good morning. This is Dr. Jack Mutnick at Renew Med Spa Plus Wellness. I want to show off the package that you will receive if you choose to start Leucovorin injections with us. So I want to try to make it as simple and easy as possible for everybody, and then so you have the knowledge to see that you have all the tools that you will need to be successful in providing Leucovorin injections to your children and adult children who are on the spectrum. So now remember, Leucovorin is simply a vitamin. It is incredibly safe. It is the reduced form of it's the reduced form of folic acid, so it is known as folinic acid, the readily absorbable form of B9 that we know in children on the spectrum. They have a cerebral folate deficiency, and so this is a form of folate that allows for penetration into the brain and spinal cord, which is so essential for brain development, something that can be lacking because either they have antibodies that prevent the absorption of folic acid just in general, or they have methylation mutations where they're not able to utilize the enzyme, or they have an MTHFR mutation. So what I want to do is I want to show our injection package, everything that you receive from us, to show you how simple and easy it is. Additionally, even the vitamins that we add and some additional options for vitamins that are available. Okay, so this is going to be the dosing schedule that we provide. Typically, when there is a new client, we start them on a 5 milligram dose, and then we increase every 2 weeks, but you have your complete dosing schedule here, which side of the body you inject it on, the date, and then even how many weeks remaining in that, in your entire package, okay? We individualize it for every single patient, as we do make adjustments to the dosing, as there are times we want to start higher and sometimes we want to continue at a specific dose. We also include injection instructions. I know that it starts off by showing you the shoulder, but there is also, trust me, I feel like the easiest and best place to do the injection is in the upper buttock, and we do include injection instructions on how to also do an intramuscular buttock injection. Now, what you'll be receiving is each one of these little packets that has the medication that's combined with B12 and magnesium, and then the Leucovorin. So everything is in a single injection. You don't have to worry about it. It only takes a second. All you will be doing is taking off this little black screw top. It just unscrews, screwing on the needle, cleaning with a little alcohol, and you are ready to go. So we have the 5 milligram dose. We increase to the 10 milligram dose for weeks 3 and 4. Weeks 5 and 6, we're up to 15. Weeks 7 and 8, we're up to Leucovorin 20 milligrams. And then weeks 9 and 10, we get up to the 25 milligram dose. Again, we also combine or include, alcohol wipes, gauze, Band-Aids, and extra needles. Plus, we just have the needles, and mind you, these are teeny tiny little needles. They are 27 gauge, 0.5 inches. They are small. It feels like a mosquito bite. It is simple. It is easy. We have our bag that everything comes in. We prefer it to be refrigerated, but honestly, it does not need to be refrigerated because the product is stable at room temperature without any loss of efficacy. We also like to state what the Leucovorin injections are combined with, when they're expiring and such, so that way you have. And then the last little piece I just wanted to show. So this is our Leucovorin that we utilize. We get this from an American retail pharmacy company. This is not compounded Leucovorin. This is direct Leucovorin. We then will either add it with hydroxycobalamin or methylcyanocobalamin, whichever, methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin. It just depends on which B12 you want to utilize. We have our magnesium. All this is what we add routinely to our Leucovorin. We do have other options where we can add a mineral blend, which has manganese, selenium, copper, and zinc. We have alpha lipoic acid. We have an amino blend. We have many different vitamin options that we can include with the leucovorin if you have such a desire. Although typically we will just add B12, and typically in the methylated form methylcobalamin, with the magnesium, and then of course the leucovorin. And all of this gets shipped to you in an easy, simple way to perform. Please reach out to us if you have questions. We are located at 3947 Excelsior Boulevard, Suite 112, Minneapolis, Minnesota 55416, or call us 612-930-8462. We can ship all across the country. Do not have any concerns about this. We can get the leucovorin to you in a couple of days. Come and see us, call us, check us out. Have a blessed day.